Daddy's home and he's thirsty. Get me my Worthington's bitter. Get that sweet, sweet Worthington's bold, please, lad. I want a nice creamy bitter. I've missed you, girl. Are you gonna be kind to Alan today? Speaking of creamy, is that Fitty working?
No, she's left, Alan.
She's left. I made her cream flow last time I saw her.
I told you this before, she's gone working somewhere else.
No, well, tell her to reply to my letters and get that pipe pulled pronto. I need that creamy froth of my charge.
Right, okay, I'm doing it as quick as I can, Alan.
It's not
all
quick
right.
enough. Let's get you turned on, shall we? Alan knows how to push all your buttons, doesn't he?
Right, there you go, one Worthington's.
Oh, come to Daddy. If anyone needs me, I'll be putting my pension into that fruity. Flash for me, girl, flash for me. What races are on today? Is this the phone, love? Can you ring me a taxi, please?